Yo Fortnite fans, Epic Games just dropped 2 epic new game modes for Blitz Royale plus Dragon Ball's back. Ready for some chaos? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into Fortnite's latest thrills. Epic Games announced 6 Stack and Pure Chaos, 2 new Blitz Royale modes launching August 2nd after the Super Showdown live event. With Dragon Ball items returning in Blitz Royale now permanent, Fortnite's heating up. Want the details? Keep watching. 6 Stack is all about teamwork, letting you squad up with 5 friends, 6 players total for the first time in Blitz Royale. It's perfect for strategic plays, coordinating epic builds, and dominating the battlefield. Whether you're planning with pals or rallying your crew, 6 Stack brings a fresh cooperative vibe. Pure Chaos cranks up the intensity with tougher opponents and more siphons, making every match a heart-pounding challenge. Plus, after the August 2nd Super Showdown, Dragon Ball items return to Blitz Royale with rumors of new skins inspired by Dragon Ball Daima. Season 3 Chapter 6's superhero theme featuring Superman and Robin wraps up with this event, setting the stage for a new season. Blitz Royale's popularity earned it a permanent spot, extended from a 1-month run to forever, thanks to fan love. These new modes, live events, and Dragon Ball collabs keep Fortnite fresh and thrilling. With 6 Stack's teamwork and Pure Chaos's intensity, there's something for every player. Is Fortnite still king of Battle Royale? Jump into Fortnite on August 2nd for 6 Stack, Pure Chaos, and the Super Showdown event. Grab those Dragon Ball items and squad up. Which mode are you hyped for? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Fortnite's new Blitz Royale modes. Are you stoked for 6 Stack's teamwork or Pure Chaos's madness? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.